Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking, and today I want to show you guys how you can get flat tummy. Yeah, no strict diet, no going to the gym, just home remedies that you can use to make flat tummy water. Yeah, and before we start, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell if you haven't yet. So guys, these are the things that I'll be using for the video. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end and for clicking. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below after giving yourself a 2 weeks challenge of using the Slim water, and tell me how the results are. And I'm not gonna lie, the water is sour, very sour, but for a better taste you can use honey. Yeah, and thank you very much for watching to the end. Love you all.